Singsang Tai Tai Leo. I am Rosalie Elemia, born on March 24, 1985. 41 years old, from Rizal, Philippines. I am married and blessed with three children ages 13, 11, and 3 years old. I am college graduate and I like cleaning, cooking, and taking good care of kids. I work as a housemaid in the Philippines for 3 years, from April 2007 to April 2010. I served a couple and four children ages 15, 13, and 3 and 1 year old. I worked as a housemaid in the Philippines for 2 years, from January 2013 to January 2015. I served 95 years old elderly. I worked as a housemaid in the Philippines for 3 years, from January 2016 to January 2019. I served one couple and two children ages 3 and 1 year old.
Hello, Miss Rosalie Elamia. How are you today?
I am good and thank you, sir.
All right. May we know your main duties from your previous employer?
My main duties is taking care of the whole family, providing the services that they need, especially when it comes to their baby.
Okay, so what if you damage something from your employer's house? What will you do?
Sir, I will say sorry and I will promise to be careful next time.
Okay, so what if the mother of your employer cannot speak in English? How will you communicate with her?
Sir, I will use sign language and I will study on how to understand and to speak their language.
All right. What is the most important thing in taking care of children?
To prepare their foods on time, check if their clothes is wet and always keep them safe.
What if the employer's children are very naughty in the house? Will you beat them?
No, sir, I will just talk to them nicely, love them and understand them because in the first place, they are just child who always want to play.
How will you maintain a safe environment for the children?
Make sure doors or windows are always closed, keep sharp objects away, and keep harmful materials out of their reach.
All right. What is the most important thing in carrying a baby?
Regularly check the diapers if it is wet, feed the baby on time, and give the medicine on time.
How will you arrange your duties if only you and the baby left in the house?
Attend the baby first, bath the baby, feed the baby, and once the baby is sleeping, that is the time that I can do my household chores.
Okay, so can you sing a lullaby to the baby to make them fell asleep? If yes, can you give us example?
Yes, sir, like, are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Brother John, Brother John. Morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing. Ding dong ding dong ding.
Okay, very good. So, do you have any last message to our future employer?
To my employer, please choose me as one housemate because I badly need this job. It will help me to grow as a person and it will be big help for my family. Promise to do my duties and responsibilities and I will finish my contract.
All right, before we end, can you share your best smile? Thank you very much, Miss Rosalie Elamia, and hope to see you very soon in abroad.
Sir, thank you and I am looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.